Hello guys, good morning. Vicky and I are here today to tell you next day review of the products we showed you yesterday. So, I'm gonna start by my favorite. Okay, it became my best friend. it's the the spot for acne. I had a pimple yesterday. I don't know if you saw it because the lighting yesterday wasn't very good, but it was like red and bumpy here. And then I applied that when I was doing the video yesterday, and I applied it before I went to bed. And it really shrank my pimple, and there's nothing but just a pink thing here right now.
Not red anymore.
Not red anymore. Gonna show you, okay? Because
there's no makeup.
There's no makeup. I was really impressed by that product, really. So, see, there's no makeup. My pimple really shrinked in less than 24 hours. So I'm gonna just all there is right now there is a tiny little, pink thing, which I'm gonna put my CC cream on top and hide it up.
It's like there's no pimple there anymore.
Yeah.
And you just add a little bit.
Yeah.
Like my mom's not adding too much. I can see here. She's only going.
Okay, what do you want to talk about now, Vicky?
The lip duo.
Lip duo. So yesterday we thought it was two colors that I was gonna wear. One and Vicky the other one.
Darker and lighter.
Darker and lighter. It's actually two finishes. So you wanna retouch yours?
Sure. So this one's mine?
Yeah.
Okay.
So mine is more like a matte finish and hers is more like a glossy finish. So you can tell the difference. I like this one more for the evening and that one more for the day. But it's not only the color but also the finish. You can use both too. You can apply the matte first and the glossy on top. So I really like this one. I think we might have some more colors, right?
Yeah.
Mascara, I liked it. I'm wearing it right now. I have very short eyelashes, so I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. But it's a volume mascara, and I really like it. What else? This guy here yesterday, I mentioned about using when you wake up and you don't sleep well. Actually, when I was reading it after, I realized this is for fine lines. Okay, so I wear it at night. You have to wear it for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. You just leave it there. I wear it at night. I wear it at night when I was reading my book. So it gets released. It sticks in the to your eyes. When I wear it, when I was making the video yesterday morning, I was walking around. I was kind of moving, so I suggest you use it when you are laying down, reading a book, before you go to bed. 10 minutes of this one.
Now I want to talk about these. I had them at my side table, and I used them before I went to bed, and it's super relaxing. It smells very nice, and I definitely recommend this one.
And last but not least, I'm gonna talk about the antifreeze. I put it in my hair. I did it too much. I overdid it. I was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it was too much. And you can see the thing. It's really small, so it's a one pump only. So you spray one in your hand. You do it like this, and you pass it around, and should be good. So I'm gonna leave my page in the comments on the description if you want to take a look at the catalog. Something else I want to say, if you watch that video until the end, comment with an emoji. I'm gonna have another giveaway next month, and everybody who's been participating, my videos and posts. I'm not gonna post a lot of videos, only some reviews or when I received something. And I'm gonna have a giveaway of a sample of a product next month. So participate on my posts so you can have your name there. And that's it. Any questions? Send me a message. Bye.
Bye.